friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's white. That means that Auto Rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into Settings as well, choose Display and Brightness, and then click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that Auto Rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!